and we are back in the building. And I got a long time to go, but go sell some shirts. The calm before the storm. Almost time to hop in this thing and get it dirty. We did all the maintenance. You know, we re-greased the bars and the ball and did the nozzles and the filter. And we pretty much just left the setup on it from our prelim night because, well, the track's coming back to us. We got no practice here at the Chili Bowl. What we got is what we got. So we're starting 15th in the B. And I think we're in the second B, so hopefully we're just gonna keep an eye on the track and make good calls on the track. Well, it is slick to a big old nasty curve right up my alley. I start 15th, so I got my work cut out for me. They take 6. Maybe 7, but I'm trying to get to 6th.
Track looks good. Got a nice little curve. Grip it and rip it.
Some TV time. Welcome to TmezTv. How do you like my office? It ain't too bad, right?
bit more rebound out of the left front, clean off the camera, pull a tear off. I look down, I take a little bit of rebound out of the left first shock, and I'm rolling around here now in 4th place, and I started 15th. I'm honestly kind of in shock. Like, I look over at my crew guy Chuck, and he gives me a thumbs up, and I'm like, yeah, obviously, I'm running 4th. We're in the show. All I have to do is roll the bottom here, but I got 10,000 people watching on TV, so I don't really like following the leader. But every spot I can gain is huge. But you can see the bottom is getting dark, so it's time to get down here and follow the parade.
Can we check it? It's soft.
Joe, give me an impact.
Ow! We just come from 15th and we put it in the show.
I thought you were gonna win the race, Thomas. If you had a tire left, you would have.
I know. That's why I was like, just get some laps up top, you know.
Wait till you see.
I'm talking to Thomas Meserol right now. Just locked into his 10th Chili Bowl. Thomas, you guys didn't set the world on fire this week, but you sure did in that B-Main. What kind of speed did you guys find in the 7X car?
You know, we had a little bit of, we had a wire break on our engine harness, so the motor didn't run on our prelim night, and this thing has been so bad fast. I literally didn't touch it for that B-Main, and we just drove from 15th to 4th. Once I got to 4th, you know, I was ripping the lip, but it was kind of starting to lay rubber on the bottom, so I had to kind of get back down there. But I needed some laps up there for this feature, because that's where it's going, that's where I'm going, and I need laps up there, so pretty pumped to get this RMS Racing 7X back in the show.
Kind of start towards the rear of the field. What do you need to do to be in contention at lap 50, 55?
You know, I was kind of running the middle, and I kind of had a good line going there. It was kind of sketchy because I was inches from climbing right rears, but you know, that's why they pay me the big bucks. And we're just going to go out there, and I think Matt Estep is here for a change. He comes to one race a year, and he said, bring us back a steering wheel or bring us back a race car in the show. So that's what we did.
Hey, good luck. Thomas Meserol told me.
Thanks, buddy. Well, how was that? That was pretty good, right?
That was sick.
That was pretty sick. That was pretty sick.
That was badass.
Hey, so we put it in the big show. 10 years now, I've done it, and we've been a right front shock. We absolutely killed the tire. We are allowed to run like an RD12, and it is so soft. I am a little questionable on if we could even make the whole feature Do we have an old tire to put on? I'm seriously, like, I don't think, like, that's not gonna go.
What tire is that?
It's new, but, so let me go show you the other tire. Where's the other tire? Where'd it go?
Check that tire.
Hey, girl.
Nice job, Thomas.
Thank you. Where's that tire? So this is what is left, and you know, it's got some more there, but man, that was only 20 laps. So I honestly think I'd be better off with one of these. Honest,
old one?
Yeah, just an old one. Like,
Yeah.
that feels better to me than. Dude, feel how soft that is.
You know, it's not a bad idea. Just put an old set of tires on. Like,
Fuck, I ain't got nothing to lose because I start so deep.
that's a 10.
Yeah, yeah. Which apparently he doesn't know. 10th is a lot farther forward than 24th, but. Hey, at least we're smiling because you know what? The pressure of this building sucks, okay? It does, because all my fans are amazing, but they expect me to win. And I expect me to win, and so does my team.
I don't know if I have any fans, so I think
well, that's good. That's good. We're making fans for you right now on TmezTv. So, hey, if you're not a Justin Grant fan, do it for me. Do it for me.